Here we have a 68 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the gloss black front grills. We also have the LED daytime running headlights. We have the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. We also have the 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent condition and finished in gloss black. Blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles in the same mineral grey paintwork as the rest of the vehicle. We have the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top along with the gloss black rear spoiler. Sits nice and aggressive. We have the rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and also a reversing camera as well, with the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. And then if we take a look at the interior, so having a look at the back first, you'll find that we have the black leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points back here. We have the vents as well for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather interior and both the front seats are heated. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, with the automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We also have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard just down there. The high beam assist as well. Steering wheel is heated with this button just down there. We do have the main screen here in the centre, which has all the shortcuts down here. So as you can see, we have the phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the media for the radio stations, along with the Bluetooth CD player and the USB audio. The sat nav as well, as you can see just there. Further down, you find the heated seat buttons on either side, with the dual zone climate control and the ice cold air conditioning. We also have the automatic gearbox, which has the different drive modes just down there. Cup holders tucked away inside of there. We have the manual handbrake and a nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.